welcome to Kodemine. Karrie here. So today we have started with the new series, that is Google Docs, where we will complete each and every topic of Google Docs, right? So the viewer who are new into my channel, please do like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. Just click on the red button and subscribe my channel. So let's start with the Google Doc. So what is Google Doc? So Google Doc is basically a service of a Google, right, which is offered to its user to create a document, right? For example, I want to create my CV, my resume, or my I want to create any application, or I want to create any paragraph writing, or I want to write any content into any document. So that Google Docs is an online application provided by the Google free of cost. We just need a Gmail account, right, and go into the Google Drive and open up the Google Docs, right? So first of all, I will share with you guys how we can go into the Google Sheets. So just open up a new tab, right? Either you can type drive.google.com, right, or just log in into your Gmail account. You guys can see I have logged in here with my Kodemine Gmail account, right? Then click on this dotted Google Apps icon, right? Here you will get a drive option, right? Then click on that. After clicking on that, you guys will redirected to a Google Drive dashboard, right? Here I have some already created files and folder, right? Then click on new, right? Here new, and here you will get a several options, right? So click on the Google Docs and you will redirect it to a new tab. Here you will get a empty document, right, a blank document where you can start your typing, or you can create a CV, application or paragraph, any kind of content you can write here. You just need to give a name here, like untitled document. I will give here a name, Kodemine Docs, right? So after that it will save this document as this name, and hi, I am Karrie. So same way we use MS Office, right, the MS Word into a Windows operating system, right? So same way we can do everything into our Google Docs, right? So what is the benefit of that? We do not need any kind of licensing, any kind of installation. We do not need to take care of any kind of operating system. We just need a browser, right? It is compatible with any browser, right, where we can open Google. We are able to open Google Docs there, right? So this is a very beneficial, right, free of cost. We just need a Gmail account, right? So each and every functionality that is available in MS Office is available free of cost in Google Docs, right? So we have just started with this series, so hope you guys will enjoy this video and the upcoming video as well. So by saying this all, have a very good day. Please do like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much. Have a very good day.